Hi, Dan here from Bay City Mitsubishi. Here's a 2017 Holden Trailblazer LTZ 4-wheel drive, and here's the 5 best things about it. Number 5 is it has a 5-star safety rating. That's number 5 is the best amount of stars. Also comes with lane departure warning, so if you fall asleep at the wheel and start changing lanes without indicating, it will beep at you and let you know that's not something you should be doing. It has front and rear parking sensors also to help with parking. Number 4, it has a Towbar. It is a removable Towbar, so you don't bash your shins when you don't need it. Trust me, it is in the boot, and that is rated to 3,000 kgs with a braked trailer. That's 3 ton, which is a big boat. Number 3 is electric mirrors with power fold. Now that might seem like a little thing to you until you're 80 meters away about to walk into a shop and you turn around and think, did I lock the car? If the mirrors are folded in, then you locked the car. Number 2, going inside, we've got 7 seats and a door chime. 7 seats in leather. Very comfortable, and the front 2 are heated and the driver's one is electric. Number 1 is touchscreen media unit in there. Nice big media unit that's got the reverse camera built in obviously, and that thing has got Bluetooth and hands-free phone in there as well. So very nice vehicle, very comfortable to drive. Come and see it. We're at 140 Cameron Road, Bay City Mitsubishi. We're open 7 days, and we'll see you soon.